Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make our very own dark chocolate. Super delicious and surprisingly easy. You just need a few ingredients to get started. So let's dive straight into it. Alright, so here is our layout of our ingredients today that we'll be using. So first up is our vanilla essence, then we got our coconut oil, a bit of honey, 70% of dark cocoa powder. Make sure you use good quality. Here we got our cocoa butter. This is really important. You gotta make sure you have this stuff. And here also we got a pinch of salt. Here I've got 2 chocolate molds. This recipe makes about 2.5, but I don't have a third one on me, so yeah, usually 2 is enough. So we just need a medium-sized pot, big enough for your bowl to fit in. You want to fill it up with a bit of shallow water. So place a glass bowl on top of the pot. You want to make sure that the glass is not touching the bottom of the water. Obviously it's going to burn what you're cooking. So ideally it's like melting actual chocolate on a bain-marie, but has a similar process to it. So here we have cocoa butter. Honestly, I love using this stuff. This is what they traditionally use when making chocolate. It's pretty expensive but super worth it. So now you want to add in your cocoa butter to the glass bowl, and you want to simmer this for about 5 minutes until nice and melted. So earlier I was talking about the cocoa powder, the dark chocolate. So obviously we're making dark chocolate today, so you want to use a cocoa powder that's got a really high percentage of cocoa. So 70% plus is really good. It's what you want. That will give you that bitter chocolate taste. So once the cocoa butter has melted all the way through, you're going to take it off the heat immediately. In the glass bowl, you want to add in your coconut oil. Give that a good mix, followed by your vanilla essence, or vanilla extract is good too. Add in your blossom honey. Give that a good old stir, and followed by your dark cocoa powder. Stir really well until you don't see any lumps in the mixture. You're going to place it into a pouring jug, and finally add into your molds. Beautiful, all done. So you want to set this into the fridge or freezer for about 20 minutes and it will come out beautifully rock solid just like this. Look at that, so beautiful, quick and easy to make. There is your homemade dark chocolate, guys. Enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video on how to make dark chocolate. Click that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next week with another video. Later guys, ciao.